So hello guys, you are welcome to class once again. In this in this particular module, we are going to be doing what we call competitors analysis. We are going to study your competitors, what you are selling, people that are selling it on Facebook, how they do their things, how they set up their ad, what they do that works for them. We are going to use the Facebook ad library technique to do that. It's very important you do this before you set up your ad. So this is all these things we are explaining. It helps to plan your ad and make you stand out whenever you run your ad. So let's get into the video. Now, studying competitors, Facebook ad library technique. The Facebook ad library is a free tool for Meta platform that lets you see your competitors' active ads, so you can study their hook, offers, creative, and call to action before running your own ad. Then use what is working as inspiration to build a better ad strategy instead of guessing. Do you understand? Now that I've explained this, let's do the practical on how you can study your competitors. Okay, so we're leaving this page to our dashboard. What I'll do is this. Let me just go to Google, go to your Google and type Meta Ads Library. Look at it here, Meta Ads Library. Click on it. Once you search the first one here, you click on it. So it's going to open. Here we are. Now this is the Meta Ad Library, and when it open like this, how do you search your competitors to analyze what they are doing? Okay, so what you do is this. Now you come to this page. It's in Nigeria, so you choose the country where you are. Where you are running your ad. So for me, I'm in Nigeria, I live in Nigeria. But if you're in Ghana, you choose Ghana. If you're in Kenya, you choose Kenya. If you're in Uganda, you choose Uganda. But for me, my own is Nigeria, I will leave. Then add category, I'll click on all ads. Okay, so if you click on all ads, now you're going to search by keyword or by advertiser. So in my case, I want to search by keyword, and I want to check people that are running Facebook ad course in Nigeria. Facebook ads course. Okay, so it's going to load ad for me about Facebook ads. Okay, and I'm going to, now this one is in no more paying ad for nothing, pay only after customer buy. Do you see? This is one of them. Now I'm seeing my competitors here, so what I'll do, I want to filter it because I don't want to check it anyhow. So you click on filter here, then to bring this box for you. Now you can filter by languages, so leave here, it's all languages, leave it at all languages. But if you want only English, you can change it to English. Now filter by advertiser, leave it at all advertiser. So look at advertiser, that people that do this kind of thing, you already know them. So even from here, you can have idea of this. We go to their page and see what they are doing. Digital Girl Hub, Drama Box, Fresh Drama Box movie. These people, you get. So now, Gabi, Haruna, Ijoma, these are people that are running ad on Facebook ad course. But then what I want to just use here is this ad status. Make sure it's on active. Don't use active and inactive. No, you want to check only ads that are still running. You get. As at when I'm recording this call, this is April 25. It's saying from April 25, 2019. No, I just want it in 1 month time. So April 25, 2026. Okay, so I'm going to filter by date, March 25, 2026 to April 25. That is ads that have been running for the past 1 month. So I'll apply to filter. Okay, so this is now going to give me much more detail. Okay, so what I'll do now is just to look at it. Let me look at what this person is.
Somebody told me January that where I'm running my advert and posting money, I would have slapped the person. Because what I knew and everybody's doing is that you send people to your WhatsApp, you send people to your website sales page, and you send people to your messenger where they will give you order. If they give order, you will face the next person. But I was wrong. Now let me me tell you that the best way to run your advert is using what we call AI pixel setup. That AI pixel setup.
You see? He's talking about AI pixel setup. This is the approach. Now let's look for another one.
All rise. Court is now in session. Be seated. Bring in the case.
My lord, this man is my husband, but instead of building our home, he is busy wasting money on Facebook adverts.
Order in this court.
Every week I let go, but there is nothing to show. No sales, no profit, just stories and screenshots, and I am tired of all these excuses.
My lord, I was trying. I boosted posts, I ran traffic, I even copied what others were doing. And what was the result? 0 conversions, my lord. My lord, this is not a case of waste. This is a case of lack of knowledge. This man was running ads.
So this is where you study your computer. This person used AI to create this storytelling video. Okay, so keep people engaged about this. Though there are other people here. This person used how I create and sell ebook with Facebook ad. Do you see? This person used flyer. Now let's play the Onyema TV. Let's see what she said.
When I thought that Facebook ad do give money, selling digital product do make people rich, make people think that it was a lie. No, it's not about selling products online. This is about selling the right products. Selling the products that people want, not just going around buying a random product.
So what you are going to do, you look at their hook. How are they trying to, what did they do? Now look at the write-up they use. Let's be honest. Most people are trying to make money online, are just guessing. So this is copywriting. So you look at what your competitors are doing. You can even copy their style and upgrade it. Look at this lady here.
On TikTok ad, and we are going to go and post your post on TikTok. Now that is not the right tactic.
This person is talking about TikTok. That's not my interest.
So instead of paying people huge amounts of money to help you run ads to set up your target audience, why don't you learn how to do it yourself?
You see?
So now
this person is targeting business owners that pay people, that pay other people. Now you want to teach them so they can do it on their own without stress. So basically, this is how you look at what your competitors are doing.